Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Shares slipped and the dollar hung off recent highs as investors eyed US inflation data due a day later that would likely yield clues to any further aggressive Federal Reserve rate hikes. Vespine Energy, a Berkeley, California-based company that converts methane gas released from landfills into power for Bitcoin mining, closed a $4.3 million funding round led by blockchain investment firm Polychain Capital and other climate-focused funds. Listed law firm Ince is attempting another fundraise of £1.1 million as the firm continues to grapple with financial difficulties. In an announcement to the London Stock Exchange, the firm said it would pursue an open offer to qualifying shareholders. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 3.2% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw Tesla shares drop 2.3%. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The UK's RICS housing price balance will be released at 23 hours and 1 minute GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 1100 hours GMT. Germany's consumer price index at 0600 hours GMT. The US monthly budget statement will be released at 1800 hours GMT. Finland's industrial output at 0500 hours GMT. The US Consumer Price Index at 1230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.